Hello students. Today again I am here with you to share something new, and today our topic is sources and uses of water. Lesson 15. So, as we all know that water is essential for life. Human beings, animals and plants have water in them. All living beings need water to live. There are water bodies such as rivers, lakes, ponds, seas, and oceans. 3/4% of the water is present on the earth. We need water for various purposes. Only 2.5% of Earth's water is fresh water. So, today we are going to understand the importance of water in our life, and one by one we will be moving ahead. Here I have given you few sources of water. As you all know that we get water from different sources. Oceans and seas, rains, springs. Springs का meaning होता है फुव्वारे. Streams and rivers, lakes, ponds. We get water from different sources. Now we have to understand that how which water is useful. Now rainwater is the purest form of water. We can use rainwater. Ocean and sea water we can't use because ocean and sea water is salty. So we cannot use ocean and sea water. Now moving ahead with this, most of the water found on the earth is in oceans and seas. Oceans form the largest water bodies on the earth, but the sea and ocean water cannot be used for drinking, washing and irrigation due to its high salt content. Irrigation means for farming purpose. We cannot use ocean water and sea water for farming because high amount of salt is present in that water. Rainwater is the purest natural source of water. It fills up rivers, canals, lakes, ponds and streams. Some rainwater goes into the ground, and this underground water is brought to the surface through wells, tube wells and hand pumps. हम लोग देखते हैं कि हमारे घर में ट्यूब वेल्स भी होते हैं, है ना. In villages we can see wells also, कुएं. So we can get fresh water through these because rainwater is the purest source of water, and when it rains, the rivers, lakes and streams and they get fills up. Moving ahead to our next topic, uses of water. Some of India's biggest rivers like the Ganga, Brahmaputra and Yamuna originate in the Himalayas. They get water from the melting snow in the mountains. These rivers do not dry up even in summer. ये कभी भी नहीं सूखती है, कभी भी dry नहीं होती हैं, चाहे कितनी भी गर्मी हो, because they get water from the melting snow, and thus they carry water throughout the year. Such type of rivers are known as snow-fed rivers or perennial rivers. As this is not given in your book, so I am giving you some general information and extra information to understand that those rivers which never dry up during the summer season, what do we call to those rivers? Those rivers are known as snow-fed rivers or perennial rivers. Now some rivers depend upon rainfall. Now some rivers are depending upon rainfall. So what do we call to those rivers? Those rivers which are depending upon rainfall, they are known as rain-fed rivers. Rivers which are depending upon rainfall are known as rain-fed rivers. These are also called seasonal rivers. We also call them seasonal rivers. Why do we call them seasonal rivers? Because they are depending upon rainfall. And all rivers finally flow into the sea. As we all know कि सारी जगह से rivers कहाँ जाके मिलती हैं? They all move into the sea. So I have given you some extra information that biggest rivers which are Ganga, Brahmaputra and Yamuna, they are known as snow-fed rivers or perennial rivers. Why do they call as snow-fed or perennial rivers? Because they are They get water from the melting snow in the mountains, and rainfall rivers which are filled with rainfall, they are known as rain-fed rivers or seasonal rivers. Now, moving ahead with springs, rainwater seeps into the soil and collects below the ground. Sometimes it appears on the surface of the earth as springs. For people living in mountainous regions, springs are a source of fresh water. If I talk about springs, so springs are very useful in mountainous region. They are very useful in mountainous regions. So people, they are depending upon springs only, those who are living in mountain areas, and from the springs they get fresh water.